Okay, it starts again, and thank you so much, Dr. Haisapan, from your valuable presentation to the first, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, for the first section, right? First sections. Thank you so much. So we move on to the second, but before we move on to the second sections, and I would like to clarify some points in section 1, right? And yeah, we move on to yes. This point we have the form already, right? You just complete the form. You see that, as Dr. Haisapan just spoke. And then this is also we have the form, okay? That is trainee statement, we have the form. And supervisor statement, right? So it will be signed by your supervisor, right? Yeah, we have the form, right? And this one component of evaluation committee. This one we don't have it, all right? You can complete it, you can fill it when we finish all. Yeah, it means that after you finish your doing defense, when you finish your doing defense already, yeah, then when you compile your portfolio or teaching practicum folder, then you complete. So who is the head of evaluation committee? For example, your doctor, I, and the other and lecturers, that they are the head or the subhead of evaluation committee. All right. So this one, no need to complete it yet, right? Until you finish it all, you can complete it. So your supervisor will supervise you, right? This point. See that? Okay. And this is a background of our institute. No need to complete it because already completed, right? Yeah, already completed. No need to write more. All right. Okay, so I think it's all for this point. I just clarify, and I would like to invite lecturer Sohravi, right? Sohravi, he will come to present, yeah, in the section 2. So please welcome lecturer Sohravi.